Niccolò Fontana's early life was marked by hardship and adversity. Born in Brescia, Italy around 1499, his family struggled with poverty, barely making ends meet. His father, a humble mail rider, was tragically murdered when Niccolò was just a young boy, leaving a void in the family. This devastating loss plunged the family into dire financial straits. Young Niccolò's misfortunes didn't end there. During the brutal French invasion of Brescia in 1512, he suffered a severe and life-altering facial injury. A French soldier slashed his face and jaw with a sword, leaving a deep and permanent scar. This brutal attack not only disfigured him but also left him with a significant speech impediment. The injury earned him the nickname Tartaglia, meaning the stammerer, a moniker that would follow him for the rest of his life. This nickname, a constant reminder of his trauma and struggles, became an integral part of his identity. It followed him throughout his life and career, shaping how others perceived him. Despite these early setbacks and the harsh realities of his youth, Tartaglia possessed a keen intellect and an unyielding thirst for knowledge. He would overcome these seemingly insurmountable obstacles to become a prominent figure in Renaissance mathematics, known for his contributions to algebra and geometry. His resilience, determination, and unwavering spirit shaped his path to greatness, proving that even the harshest beginnings can lead to extraordinary achievements. Tartaglia's formal education was limited due to his family's poverty. Born in the early 16th century, he faced numerous hardships from a young age. His father, a modest courier, was murdered when Tartaglia was just a child, leaving the family in dire straits. However, this did not deter his pursuit of knowledge. Despite the lack of resources, Tartaglia's determination to learn was unwavering. He would often borrow books and study by the dim light of a candle, long into the night. He was largely self-taught, devouring books on mathematics, Latin, and literature whenever he could. His thirst for knowledge was insatiable, and he sought out every opportunity to educate himself. He displayed a remarkable aptitude for mathematics, particularly algebra. His ability to understand and solve complex algebraic problems set him apart from his peers. His self-learning journey instilled in him a deep appreciation for the practical applications of mathematics. He believed that mathematics was not just a theoretical pursuit but a tool that could solve real-world problems. This practicality would become a hallmark of his work. Tartaglia's approach to mathematics was grounded in reality, and he often applied his knowledge to engineering and military problems. Tartaglia's understanding of mathematics deepened over time. His relentless study and practice allowed him to master various mathematical disciplines. He became known for his ability to solve complex problems. His solutions were not only accurate but also innovative, earning him respect among his contemporaries. His reputation as a skilled mathematician began to grow. Scholars and students alike sought his guidance and expertise. His self-education and the adversities he faced shaped his perspective. Tartaglia's experiences taught him the value of perseverance and the importance of accessible education. He became a strong advocate for self-learning and the accessibility of knowledge. He believed that anyone, regardless of their social standing, should have the opportunity to learn and grow. He believed that education should be available to all, regardless of their background. Tartaglia's legacy is a testament to the power of self-education and the enduring impact of knowledge. One of Tartaglia's most significant achievements was his solution to cubic equations. These equations involving the cube of an unknown variable had puzzled mathematicians for centuries. At the time, solving cubic equations was considered one of the most challenging problems in algebra. Scholars had made some progress, but a general solution remained elusive. In 1535, Tartaglia was challenged to a public contest by Antonio Maria Fiore. Fiore, a student of Scipione del Ferro, possessed a partial solution to certain types of cubic equations. Tartaglia, working independently, had also discovered a solution. He triumphed in the contest, solving all of Fiore's proposed problems. This victory brought him widespread recognition. Tartaglia's victory over Fiore attracted the attention of Girolamo Cardano, a prominent physician and mathematician. Cardano requested Tartaglia to share his solution to the cubic equation. Tartaglia initially hesitated, wanting to publish his findings himself. Eventually, he agreed to reveal his method to Cardano under an oath of secrecy. Cardano promised not to publish the solution. However, Cardano later learned of Scipione del Ferro's earlier work on cubic equations. Feeling that the oath no longer applied, he published Tartaglia's solution in his own book, Ars Magna, in 1545. This act of betrayal sparked a bitter feud between Tartaglia and Cardano. The controversy, though damaging to Tartaglia, ultimately brought his work to a wider audience. Section 5, Ballistics and the Science of War. Tartaglia's contributions extended beyond pure mathematics. He also made significant advancements in the field of ballistics, the study of projectile motion. During the Renaissance, warfare was undergoing a transformation with the increasing use of firearms and cannons. Understanding projectile trajectories became crucial for military strategy. In his 1537 book Nova Scientia, A New Science, Tartaglia explored the mathematics of projectile motion. He was among the first to recognize that projectiles follow a curved path. His work laid the groundwork for later studies by Galileo Galilei, who further refined the understanding of projectile motion and the laws of physics governing it. Section 6. Translating knowledge, expanding horizons. Tartaglia believed in making knowledge accessible to all. He translated several important mathematical texts from Latin into Italian, his native language. This effort made these works available to a wider audience, including those who did not have access to a classical education. His translations democratized knowledge. Among his translations was Euclid's Elements, a foundational text in geometry. This translation made the principles of geometry accessible to a broader Italian readership. Tartaglia's commitment to education extended beyond his own original work. He saw translation as a crucial tool for disseminating knowledge and empowering learners. Section 7. The Nova Scientia and Projectile Motion. Tartaglia's Nova Scientia was a groundbreaking work in the field of ballistics. It explored the practical applications of mathematics to the art of warfare. He developed tables and diagrams that artillery officers could use to accurately calculate projectile trajectories. This significantly improved the accuracy and effectiveness of cannons. His work challenged the long-standing Aristotelian view of motion. He argued that projectiles follow a curved path, not a straight line followed by a sudden drop. Nova Scientia became a valuable resource for military engineers and strategists. It marked an important step towards the development of modern ballistics and artillery. Section 8. Tartaglia's treatises shaping mathematical thought. Tartaglia authored several other important mathematical treatises. These works covered a wide range of topics, including arithmetic, geometry, and algebra. His Trattato di Numeri et Misure, or Treatise on Numbers and Measures, was a comprehensive work on arithmetic and practical mathematics. It was widely studied by merchants and engineers. Quesiti et Invenzioni diverse, which translates to various questions and inventions, addressed a variety of mathematical problems and practical applications. It showcased Tartaglia's problem-solving skills. These treatises, written in Italian, made complex mathematical concepts accessible to a broader audience. They contributed to the growth of mathematical literacy in Renaissance Italy. Section 9. A legacy forged in adversity. Tartaglia's life was marked by both triumphs and tribulations. His feud with Cardano over the cubic equation solution caused him considerable distress. He also faced financial difficulties throughout his life. Despite these challenges, he remained dedicated to his pursuit of knowledge. His resilience and perseverance in the face of adversity are inspiring. He overcame significant obstacles to make lasting contributions to mathematics. Tartaglia's story is a testament to the power of self-learning and the importance of making knowledge accessible to all. His legacy continues to inspire mathematicians and educators today. Section 10. The enduring impact of Tartaglia. Tartaglia's contributions to mathematics and ballistics were significant. His solution to the cubic equation was a major breakthrough in algebra. His work in ballistics laid the foundation for modern studies of projectile motion. His translations made key mathematical texts accessible to a wider audience. His emphasis on the practical applications of mathematics influenced the development of mathematical education. He made math relevant to everyday life. Tartaglia's work, though sometimes overshadowed by the Cardano controversy, remains a cornerstone of Renaissance mathematics. His legacy endures. Section 11. Conclusion. A Renaissance polymath. Niccolò Tartaglia was a true Renaissance polymath, a man whose intellect and curiosity knew no bounds. He excelled in mathematics, engineering, and military science, fields that were crucial to the advancements of his time. He was a self-made scholar, a skilled problem solver, and a champion of accessible knowledge. Tartaglia's dedication to learning was unparalleled, and he believed that knowledge should be shared freely. His life, marked by both triumph and tragedy, is a testament to the power of human resilience and the pursuit of knowledge. Despite facing numerous challenges, including personal and professional setbacks, Tartaglia's spirit never wavered. He overcame adversity to make lasting contributions to science and mathematics. His work was not just theoretical, but had practical applications that influenced many areas of study. His work on cubic equations, ballistics, and his translations of mathematical texts shaped the course of Renaissance mathematics and beyond. Tartaglia's innovative methods and solutions were ahead of his time. He left an indelible mark on the history of science. His contributions laid the groundwork for future discoveries and advancements. Tartaglia's legacy continues to inspire mathematicians, scientists, and educators today. His work is studied and revered, proving that his influence extends far beyond his own era. He embodies the spirit of inquiry and the pursuit of knowledge that defines the Renaissance. Tartaglia's life and work remind us of the importance of curiosity, perseverance, and the relentless quest for understanding.